Estoy decidida, voy a sacarte por completo de mi vida. Tu contrato tiene la fecha vencida, no espere una despedida. Te echo la bendición y ojalá no te vuelva a ver. De llorar, se secó todo.
Welcome back to my channel Sparkling Beauty Bee. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video I'm very excited to partner up with Vivaia. Yes, I'm partnering up with Vivaia once again, my favorite shoe brand. They have shoes and some other fashion accessories, bags and clothes as well. And you know how much I love Vivaia because they're eco-friendly and their designs are so trendy and so comfortable. So today I have 3 different summer shoes to unbox with you guys. So I will do the unboxing and also share with you how it looks on me. So we will style them together. Hope you're ready. So let's get started. So this is how the Vivaia shoes arrive. These are their boxes and they're very nice. I love the boxes. Their packaging is eco-friendly and their shoes are. You know very well, those who know Vivaia brand, you know how their shoes are made. They use plastic bottles and they turn into beautiful shoes, which is just amazing. All kind of shoes for everyone. During winter time, I showed you their beautiful boots, and now they have all summer collection. They have added some new designs which are very nice. So in today's video you're going to see all of them. So these are my pointed ballerinas that I've been wearing for years now, and I really love them. They still look very new. I often wear them without any socks, but they still look good and they're always dry, nice and clean. I barely clean them, but look, there's nothing. Like now I am standing in the grass which is watery, so that you see the under is, so the sole is a little bit watery here, but other than that it's very clean and nothing happened. They're so comfortable. They are just absolutely comfortable. I have been wearing them for I think more than 2 years now and they just look fine. I'm so happy with them. So these are my very first Vivaia, and after that I had many and I love all of them. So because this is my first pair, that's why I'm showing you how well they're holding up. These sandals, they're so beautiful. I specifically love their color combination, like so neutral and so beautiful. And for this I actually went half a size down, which was wise because they are a little bit wide in size. So if you are going for them, you can go half size down, which is good, and they are very comfortable. I can walk in them all day long and they look very stylish. They also has platform heel, so are going to give you a little bit of height, which is just nice. Next I have these pairs which are so cute. I love this thing in the middle, like this belt. This is so cute. This gives me like those school day vibes, but they're very trendy at this moment, and I got them in black because I really needed some black ballerinas or black flats which I can wear anytime with you know, any of my outfit any day. And I think they are really cute. They are good for dressing up and dressing down. I can wear them casually anytime when I go for work. They're just so comfortable and good looking. Next are these. About these I am actually very excited because they have heels, and I'm not usually comfortable wearing any heel, but these are very comfortable. You can walk a long time wearing them. I tried them a couple of times now and they are so good. And also they have some cushioning in the sole, which makes it very, very easy to walk. I got them also for 37.5, which is a half size down from the first pair I got. I don't know why I did that, because 38 fits me really good. So I think I did that just because the back side is open. So I thought 38 will look a little bit bigger on me because the back is open. I didn't want my feet to look a little bit smaller than the shoe. I thought it would, but this area is a little bit narrow, so I would suggest you to go for your regular size. Don't size them down, you don't have to. But other than that, they're really good, comfortable to walk, and very, very stylish. That was everything for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will be coming up with another new video. Till then, stay well. Bye.